In 2026, the question is no longer whether AI will touch architecture, interior design, civil engineering, and construction. It already has. The better question is how a serious office should use it without losing professional control. Should Claude read project documents? Should Codex help with CAD scripts? Should Gemini review images and plans? Should Grok support real-time research? Should N8N connect workflows? Should OC render videos and process files? In this final video of the series, we build a practical AI architecture office blueprint.
A good blueprint begins with roles, not tools. Do not start by asking which model is most impressive. Start by asking what your office repeatedly does. You read briefs. You draft emails. You review codes. You clean CAD files. You manage BIM data. You answer RFIs. You prepare proposals. You research materials. You create presentations. You produce content. Each of these tasks has a different risk level. The right AI strategy assigns the right tool to the right kind of work.
Here is a simple tool map. Claude is strong for long documents, careful reasoning, briefs, meeting notes, and project summaries. Codex is strong for computer-based work, small scripts, CAD and BIM automation, file checks, and repeatable technical tasks. Gemini is strong when text and images need to be considered together, such as plans, site photos, and visual design review. Grok is useful for current research, tool scouting, and real-time information, as long as sources are verified. N8N connects events and services. OC provides cloud processing. Remotion and hyperframes turn structured content into video.
This map is not permanent. Model capabilities change quickly. The important habit is to describe work by category: document reasoning, coding automation, multimodal review, live research, workflow orchestration, cloud processing, and media generation. Once you think in categories, you can swap tools when the market changes. Your office strategy becomes more durable than any single model name.
The second part of the blueprint is risk level. Low-risk tasks include summarizing internal notes, drafting first versions of emails, organizing image captions, or checking file names. Medium-risk tasks include preparing code checklists, comparing drawing revisions, or reviewing submittal requirements. High-risk tasks include anything affecting structure, fire safety, accessibility, legal compliance, contracts, or cost claims. AI may assist high-risk tasks by organizing information, but qualified professionals must verify final decisions.
A responsible office should write this down. Which tasks can AI draft? Which tasks require human review? Which tasks require licensed professional approval? Which data cannot be uploaded? Which tools are approved? Where are logs stored? Who owns the workflow? This may sound bureaucratic, but it is what turns AI from a toy into a professional system. Without rules, every staff member invents a different practice. With rules, the office learns together.
The third part is a 30-day starting plan. Week 1. Choose 3 low-risk workflows. For example, meeting minutes, folder naming checks, and client brief summaries. Week 2. Create standard templates for each output. Week 3. Test them on old projects and compare the AI output with human work. Week 4. Use one workflow on a live project with human review. This is enough to learn without betting the office on automation too early.
Do not begin with the most complex dream. Do not start by trying to automate every RFI, every drawing, and every proposal at once. Start where success is easy to measure. Did the meeting minutes become clearer? Did the naming checker catch errors? Did the brief summary reveal missing questions? Did the team save time? If the answer is yes, expand. If the answer is no, adjust the template or choose a better workflow.
The fourth part is team roles. The principal sets policy and risk boundaries. The project manager identifies repetitive communication work. The BIM lead defines data standards. The CAD manager owns drawing automation. Designers shape visual and proposal workflows. One person should act as automation owner, even if it is only part of their job. That person maintains templates, checks logs, and prevents random experiments from becoming hidden office systems.
Training should be practical. Do not give staff a vague lecture about AI. Give them examples from their own work. Show how to turn rough notes into minutes. Show how to create an RFI summary. Show how to check a schedule export. Show how to ask for uncertainty. Show how to verify sources. Show what not to upload. The best AI training feels like better office practice, not like a separate technology class.
The fifth part is data governance. Architecture projects contain confidential information, client names, budgets, addresses, security details, contracts, and proprietary designs. Before using cloud AI tools, offices must understand what can be shared and what must remain internal. Use approved tools. Remove unnecessary personal information. Keep backups. Do not store secrets in scripts. Do not paste API keys into documents. Keep output logs where the team can audit them.
Governance also includes source quality. If AI summarizes a regulation, link the official source. If AI compares products, keep manufacturer documents. If AI drafts a cost-related note, mark it for review. If AI generates a rendering or image, make sure the team understands what is conceptual and what is buildable. Professional trust depends on clear boundaries between draft, concept, verification, and approval.
The sixth part is knowledge publishing. Many architecture offices and CAD channels have valuable expertise but do not publish consistently. AI workflows can help turn internal knowledge into educational content. Scripts can become videos. Drawing tips can become tutorials. BIM standards can become short explainers. Remotion and hyperframes can create repeatable visuals. N8N can manage the pipeline. OC can render in the cloud. The result is a content system that supports teaching, marketing, and community.
But quality still matters. Do not flood a channel with shallow AI videos. Pick topics that help real professionals. How to organize CAD libraries. How to read drawing revisions. How to use AI for code checklists. How to avoid BIM data chaos. How to prepare better client briefs. If the content saves a viewer time, it earns attention. If it only repeats tool names, it will be ignored.
So the 2026 AI Architecture Office Blueprint has 6 zones. Documents with Claude-style assistants. CAD and BIM automation with Codex-style agents. Visual and multimodal review with Gemini-style tools. Current research with Grok-style assistants. Workflow orchestration with N8N and cloud processing on OC. Education and publishing with Remotion, hyperframes, voiceover, and image generation. Each zone has a purpose, a risk level, and a human approval point.
The offices that benefit most will not be the ones chasing every new model. They will be the ones that understand their own workflows clearly. They will automate the boring parts, verify the risky parts, and keep human judgment at the center. AI will not remove the need for architects, designers, engineers, and construction professionals. It will raise the value of people who can combine domain knowledge with good systems thinking.
If you want one simple action after this video, choose one workflow and write its desired output on a single page. For example, every site meeting should produce minutes with decisions, action items, responsible people, and due dates. Once the output is clear, AI can help draft it, N8N can help route it, and the team can review it. Clear output comes before clever automation.
Start small, measure honestly, and expand only after the team trusts the result.
To recap, map your tasks before choosing tools. Separate low-risk and high-risk workflows. Start with a 30-day pilot. Assign ownership. Protect project data. And publish useful knowledge with a repeatable media system. If you want more practical AI workflows for architecture, interior design, CAD, BIM, and construction, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and comment with the first workflow your office should turn into an AI assistant.